Hey everybody, this is Ryan Killey. I'm one of the sales and tech support guys over here at Wehrli Custom Fabrication. Today we're going to bring you another tech tip for install of a WCFab intake. One of the main phone calls that we get is customers calling in after they have installed a WCFab intake and they get a message on the dash that they need to replace their air filter. What I'm going to show you today is how to disable this reminder before you install a WCFab intake. So we're going to start here on the main screen of the dash. Right now I have our music category selected. You're going to want to scroll left until you hit the info category. Once you get to the info category, right now I have the tire pressure set up. You're going to want to scroll down to the air filter life with the scroll wheel on the steering wheel. Once you get to the air filter life, you can see here that I have ours enabled. Then you're going to want to press in the scroll wheel to select the menu. Once the menu pops up, scroll down one time to disabled. Go ahead and select with the scroll wheel. And there your air filter life is disabled. And now you may proceed with the install of your WCFab intake. Now, one thing with the 24 model in particular is if you go to disable or have an error when you disable, you can click the enable feature and it should still show said error. You will want to click the menu option again with the scroll wheel, and then you will reset your air filter life. Scroll over to the right and hit yes. It should be now reset to 100%. Then once again you will select the menu, scroll down to disable, and have that disabled. If you have a 2020 to 2023, your truck will not have this feature. You will have to reset it with a scan tool. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to comment below or give us a call over here at WCFab. We'd be more than happy to help. Once again, my name is Ryan Killey with Wehrli Custom Fab. Thank you.